Hey, it's Chloe from Investing Simple. Today I'll be showing you how to transfer from Trust Wallet to Coinbase, step by step. If you want to follow along, check out the full article on our site down in the description below. Sending crypto from Trust Wallet to Coinbase is actually fairly simple. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open a Coinbase account. Make sure you use our link in the description to get $5 worth of free Bitcoin when you sign up. You will need to create an account with an email and password, then verify your photo ID. In order to send or receive cryptocurrencies, you do need a fully verified Coinbase account. You'll also add your phone number to set up two-factor authentication. Consider completing this step now. Verifying your account just takes a few simple steps. First, click on the Send/Receive button after logging in. A pop-up will appear that prompts you to upload a photo of your ID. After submitting your photos, your account will be reviewed. This process generally takes 1 to 2 business days, though it can be finished in less than an hour if the photo is clear and the name matches your account. After your account is verified, it's time to gather information about your wallet. Since you are sending the crypto to Coinbase, you need your Coinbase wallet address. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique wallet address. Therefore, it is crucial that you locate the correct address. For example, if you want to send Bitcoin, then you must copy the Bitcoin address. You can locate your Coinbase wallet address by following the instructions on screen. Once you have located the desired cryptocurrency and corresponding wallet address, you will copy it. You will use this wallet address to paste into Trust Wallet's platform. It's time to finish off the transfer over in the Trust Wallet platform. Open the app or desktop version and log into your account. You'll start by selecting the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, then paste in the wallet address you copied from Coinbase. After indicating the amount you would like to transfer, you'll simply review the transfer and click the Send button. You ought to be aware that each outgoing crypto transfer from Trust Wallet does have applicable fees. Those fees vary by crypto. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. Be sure to get your free $5 of Bitcoin by using the link in the description.